Yeah, hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to do screen recording on your iPhone, be it your SRO, be it your iPhone 14, 15 Pro. Let's get started. Let me show you how to. I know you have been trying to see how you can, because me too. I was once in that your shoe trying to do screen recording on my iPhone, but I cannot. So, quick one. Let's get dive into our iPhone and see how we can do screen recording on our iPhone. When you have an iPhone, you scroll up down, you find out you can't find the screen recording. So what you just need to do is to click on this plus icon, then click on add a control, then search for screen recording. So screen recording, once you click on it, automatically it will add it there for you. So when you go back, you find your screen recording. So that's actually simple. Again, if you hold on it, you can select where you want your file to be recorded and be stored. I choose photo gallery. Then when you click on the microphone on, this will enable it to record your voice when speaking, or the sound your phone is making when doing screen record. But if it's turned off, you won't get audio on your screen record. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video, because there are a lot of people that don't know how to do screen recording on their iPhone device. Now, for us to end this screen recording, you can just click the this icon. Yes, place your timer